Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is nouns. It will start easy and then it will get more difficult. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Yesterday was a wonderful day. Yesterday is a noun. Here. Number 2. She's a good worker, but she has a bad. This is the way somebody thinks and feels about somebody else. Also the way they act. And both of the missing letters are the same letter. Attitude. She has a bad attitude. It's hard for me to explain. Please check your dictionaries. Let's have a together with my dog. This is a kind of exercise. And the first missing letter is an A. Walk. Walk is a noun here. In our program, we also have 2 idioms. To take a walk, to go for a walk. Her children learn chemistry at an. This is another name for a school, a type of school. Academy. Her children learn chemistry at an academy. This figure of speech is very common in Australia. I will say it for you. No worries, mate. No worries. Mate. Mate just means friend. It could be a man or a woman. 1 worry. 2 worries. Please check your dictionary. It's the same as the verb, but it's the noun form. Same meaning as the verb. He doesn't need a full haircut. He just needs a little haircut. A trim. This word is a noun, a verb, and an adjective. Please check your dictionary and read the whole entry. They are rich. They bought 2. This is when you buy 1 orange juice or 1 iced tea for everybody in the restaurant. 2 rounds. Round has many meanings. Please check the dictionary and read the whole entry. We like to play. This is a game with a table and balls and cue sticks. You hit the balls. In America, we usually say to play pool. Billiards. This is kind of an international word. In modern American English, we usually say to play pool. We like to play pool. His parents work for a. This is a system of carrying goods. A transport company with many trucks and maybe some airplanes. From the business world, to help depositors get money when they need it. Liquidity. Bye-bye.